Welcome to the shop. It's been a while since I posted anything, had lots of projects going on, and in this particular project there's been some confusion and my John Deere dealer has been less than helpful. So I'm going to try to fill in some blanks in case someone else comes into it. I've got a 4520 John Deere compact tractor, putting a third function on it. I ordered kit BW16139, and they couldn't tell me what was in it. We had some back and forth, and I went ahead and ordered the kit, and I want to show that to you now. So it comes with the 4 hard lines for the loader, the replacement bulkhead bracket, where all your quick couplers go between your loader and the tractor itself. It comes with 4 large QDC covers, 2 small ones for the quick connects up on the front, the 2 bulkheads that go on that bracket, the 2 quick connects that go up at the front of the loader, and the 2 males that go at the back of the tractor to plug in. The instructions actually say those don't come with it, but they did in my case. It has the hoses from the loader down to where this connection goes on that bulkhead bracket, and then it has the hoses that go again from these connections to the back of the tractor that'll connect in to the quick connects on the rear here. Additionally, there are 3 Stoff style clamps that are small. 2 of them came with hardware for it. There's 1 large Stoff clamp that kind of sandwiches in. I'm not sure why I have an extra bolt. 4 zip ties, and there's a small assortment of decals and snap rings that go inside. So contrary to what the dealer thought, they thought that I would have to come back and have these hoses made. Those hoses are included. Contrary to what the instructions say, it does include these 2 male QDCs. They're the nipple, not the ball style. And at least as of January of 2024, this kit runs about $450, but it looks like it does have everything you need to operate the function. You will need a hydraulic supply at the back. I'm going to try doing it with the set of SCVs on the back already, rather than paying the $1,000 for the electric over hydraulic. I may upgrade later, but hopefully this helps somebody. Have a good one. One point of clarification, I was a little confused, thought maybe I should have 2 of these. That is incorrect. This goes down on the bottom end of the loader where your small quick connects tie in, and then up higher you use this 3rd Stoff clamp with the longer bolt to sandwich everything together per page 7 of the instructions. If by chance anyone from Deere is watching this, it would be helpful if you provided a bill of material for what should be included in the kit with the instructions, or as the parts pages for this kit showed, place it there, because they were quite unhelpful.